To connect Shopify to a Wix website, start by creating a Shopify account and setting up your store. Next, go to the Wix website editor and click on the Add button. Then select More and choose HTML iframe. In the HTML iframe settings, enter a title for the iframe and set its width and height. You can adjust these settings to fit your needs. Now, go to your Shopify account and navigate to the Sales Channels section. Click on the Add Sales Channel button and select Buy button. This will allow you to generate an embed code for your Shopify store. In the Buy button section, choose the type of embed you want to use, such as a product or collection. Customize the embed as needed. Then copy the generated code. Go back to your Wix website editor and paste the Shopify embed code into the HTML iframe. Click on the Update button to save the changes. Your Shopify store is now connected to your Wix website. You can customize the appearance of the embed to match your website's design. Make sure to test the embed to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Shopify store to your Wix website and start selling your products online. This integration allows you to leverage the e-commerce capabilities of Shopify while maintaining the design and functionality of your Wix website. It is essential to ensure that your Wix website and Shopify store are properly integrated to provide a seamless user experience for your customers. With this connection, you can manage your products, inventory, and orders from your Shopify account while maintaining a professional online presence with your Wix website.